back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to simply set budget limits in Zoho Books. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to set budget limits in Zoho Books, then all you can do is simply go to your Zoho Books and go to the accountant module. Once you're in your accountant module, you need to select budgets. After selecting it, you need to create a new budget with a name, fiscal year and period. That can be monthly or yearly. Now you can add income and expense accounts. Input specific monetary limits for each period, which can be manual, pre-fill from past data, or autofill with adjustments. After you have done everything, you need to simply save it. This allows tracking spending against limits and getting alerts, especially with Zoho expense integration. So this way you can simply set budget limits in Zoho Books. You need to monitor and have your eyes on the alerts as well. You need to view the actual amounts and set alerts for your convenience. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.